Now let us understand the step-by-step process of using the OCR AI model in StrategicERP. To access the OCR Pro AI feature, navigate to the Petty Cash form under the Accounts Payable module. The OCR Pro feature is used to eliminate the need for manually entering multiple records. To use the feature, select the name of company. Click on the OCR Pro button available in the Petty Cash form. Click on Get Started to upload bills. Then, click on Browse to attach bill in PDF, JPG or PNG format. You can select one or multiple files as applicable. Click on Upload File to upload the bills. Once uploaded, you can review the bill or bills to confirm bill details. Click on Next to preview the details of the other uploaded bills. Once all uploaded bills are reviewed, the bill entries will be automatically posted in the Expense Summary tab under the Petty Cash form. Select the uploaded attachment icon to view the uploaded bills. The process of using the OCR Pro model is now complete. The OCR Pro model rollout is complete and has been enabled for use across multiple forms.